See that speaker? See that puppy? That's coming out. But first, the door pedal. And we have 10 mils. 10, 10, and a seat. Behind, door number 1. Little flap. It just sits in here. Popped it off. Unlock. What are you doing? Same with this. It even tells you where to put a notch in it. This guy. Careful. Hopper out. Now, 10 mil. Put in a safe spot. 10 mil. Kind of love the American stuff. Now let's pull. I just love things that just fall in your hand once you pop them out. Oh, push. Push, 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 push. I grabbed right there from the corner, as always, and just pull. Now, undo the door. I'm gonna pull this guy out. Come on. Come on, I know you'll come out. Oh, we gotta squeeze. Oh, we gotta squeeze those tabs. See those quick wings? We gotta squeeze them. And there you have it. And there you have it. And there you have it. So, I had to squeeze 2. You see? You gotta squeeze them. With, so much easier with this. Now this puppy popped right out of the door. And you squeeze. You see? A T30? Are you kidding me? Look at the Americans doing weird things. So let's get these guys out and see what the plugs are. Part number, garbage. You can replace these with whatever this plug is. So we'll see if we can get this plug for you, make matters easier for you. These should be straight up 6x9s. So we'll put a link in the description and see what they sound like after, but not until then. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.